YouTube, and welcome back to American Muscle Car Workshop, guys. And well, this is gonna be my next update for my Kenworth tractor I'm working on. I'm gonna be making it into the Bandit truck. And you see my decals here the decals here came in. Got a little wet on the bottom, but that part I ain't worried about. And the one for the trailer, he came into. Here are the other little stripes. And my main ones here for the horse, for the trailer, for my trailer here, these are my trailer decals. But finally, again, these are the ones I had ordered. Took a couple weeks because there was a delay where he couldn't get them in for some reason. Technically, he had family issues or something like that. But well, let's get cracking here and get these decals on this tractor body, get these parts going. Well, I'll see you in the next review. See you in the next review. All right. See you in the next update. Bye.